Hello children, in this class we will discuss about noun and kinds of noun. Before I explain about noun, let us know about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Let us know more about noun. Noun is one of the major components of the sentence or speech. We divide noun into 2 categories. It can be visible, it can be invisible. What all you see in your surrounding, that is visible. For example, cat, elephant, man, etc. Invisible means you cannot see, only you can feel. For example, wisdom, bravery, honesty, etc. Let us see what is noun. Noun is a naming word. It may be the name of a person, place or thing. Noun is a word which names a person, place, animal or thing, including human feelings, qualities, emotions, ideas, etc. There are 4 kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun. Name of a person, thing or place. Proper nouns are names of particular person, place, animal or thing. Proper noun always begin with capital letters. For example, Meera, Krishna, Harihar, Taj Mahal, India. Second one is common noun. A name given to a person, place or thing of the same class. A common name or usage given to a person, place, animal or thing in the same class. For example, cat, girl, town, doll, etc. Next one is collective noun. Collective noun means name given to a collection or a number of persons or things. For example, army, army of soldiers. Bouquet, bouquet of flowers. Class, class of students. Fleet, fleet of ships. Pride, pride of lions. Last one is abstract noun. Abstract noun means name of a quality, action or state. Abstract noun means name of a quality, action or state. For example, wisdom, laughter, goodness, honesty, darkness, theft, poverty, slavery. Now, noun can be countable or uncountable. Countable noun means anything that can be counted. Uncountable noun means anything that cannot be counted, wherein we go according to the quantity. Here we have a list of countable and uncountable nouns. Let's read one by one. Countable nouns: frog, tree, hat, watch, balloon, jug, bottle, cylinder. These are countable nouns. Uncountable nouns: rice, water, light, fire, sand, flour, sugar, tea. These are uncountable nouns. Children, note down in your home rough book what is noun and kinds of noun with the examples, and collect some more examples beyond the chart. Thank you.